Welcome to Name, where we explore the world's most interesting and important scientific advances. Today, we're talking about the historic discovery of the structure of DNA by Francis Crick and James Watson, and the twist that has been added to the traditional narrative. It's now believed that Rosalind Franklin's X-ray diffraction image, or Photo 51, was not the key to unlocking the DNA puzzle, as was long thought. In fact, researchers at the University of Manchester believe that Franklin expected her data to be shared and credited, contrary to the narrative of deceit and skullduggery in the popular story. Documents from Franklin's archive at Churchill College in Cambridge provided evidence of this new interpretation of events. According to one of these documents, a draft article from 1953 meant for publication in Time magazine, the discovery of DNA structure was a collaboration between Franklin and Maurice Wilkins, and Crick and Watson. A letter from Franklin to Crick further highlighted her relaxed approach to data sharing. Professor Matthew Cobb, lead researcher at University of Manchester, explains that this letter confirms that not only did Franklin discuss her data with Crick's supervisor, but assumed it would be shared with Crick. Photo 51 was never the crux of the DNA puzzle according to Cobb. Instead, success was achieved from trial and error with models and calculations. Crick and Watson only later acknowledged their reliance on the data from Franklin, Wilkins, and others that had been shared with them, as described in their published article in 1954. The tragedy of Rosalind Franklin is her death at 37 from cancer, when her career was still at its peak. To celebrate her immense contribution to science, Professor James Naismith, director of the Rosalind Franklin Institute, noted her impact beyond the discovery of DNA's double helix, remarking on her pioneering research into the structure of viruses. So, the story of Francis Crick and James Watson's discovery of the structure of DNA is rife with misunderstanding, flawed narration, and scientific brilliance. Thanks for joining us to learn more on this thrilling scientific tale. Until next time, be sure to like and subscribe for more science stories here at Name.